In this video, to help you learn Wing Chun at home, I wanted to go over the closing steps. If you can find a line, that would be very helpful for your referencing of your feet. So we're going to stand feet together. Go ahead and get set up in your JIN-MA. Okay. And first, just go ahead and take your right foot, put it flat, okay, 45 degrees. Adduct, use your adductor muscles to pull your rear foot onto the line like this. So now your feet should be 45, okay? 80% weight on the rear leg, 20% weight on the front leg. Hips, shoulders square, head back, head up. And this is our JIN-MA. Back to JIN-MA. Left foot now, left foot flat, not a big step. Okay, if I'm doing it on the side here, it's not a big step like this. See how my heel came up? Don't want to do that. Heels flat on the ground and flat foot, adduct, feet 45, hips and shoulders square, head back, head up, 80% weight on the back leg, 20 on the front leg, which allows us to be mobile on the front leg here. So again, left foot flat, adduct, feet 45, JIN-MA. Now, we're going to move on to some HUEN-BOs, which is a circling step, and you're going to be circling your foot behind and back. Make sure you're staying sunk in your JIN-MA. We're going to start on our right leg, circle it back, okay, bring it together at the knees, another circle back to JIN-MA, knees together, back, back, more, okay. Try not to stand up when you're doing this. Try the left leg now, HUEN-BO, HUEN-BO. Try to keep your foot flat on the surface as you're circling. The next piece is HUEN-BO to where we first started with the foot flat, adduct. And as you notice, we are now in the same position as we were at the beginning. Okay? But what this HUEN-BO does is allow us to flank our opponent. So they're coming up the middle, offline, back to midline. This is the closing step. Okay. Right leg, all right. Back, back, at the angle, like the triangle, boom, boom, JIN-MA. HUEN-BO, closing step, back, back. Try left leg now, HUEN-BO, closing step, back, back. Feet 45, hips, shoulders square, head back, 80-20. You feel comfortable enough to throw in your guard here. Back, back, JIN-MA. Closing step. See how it's kind of off here? You want to try to be as forward and level as possible. Try the right side. Back, back. So this is the closing step. To do advancing step, just small step with the forward foot, flat, adduct, flat, adduct. So that was an intro into the Wing Chun closing step and advanced step. Go ahead and practice the closing step and be ready for those follow-along videos as they come out. If you'd like to watch more videos on Wing Chun right now, go ahead and check out some of these, and I'll see you over there. Take care.